Nate came here with Roof Masters of Arizona. Thank you for your approval on the Prices roof over here. We're taking care of it right now. I had my framers come out and they looked at this structure. They said it was perfectly sound and it was fine. So we don't need anything on that. Claim number for Matthew and Aaron Price is 0396 M as in Mary 972L as in Lima. I don't know what type of shingles was on this. I pulled one right here. This is a gaff natural shadow that we're gonna go ahead and just try and do a repair attempt. And we're gonna give it a shot right now. I can only have time to have my framers come out here and do this today. So we're doing it simultaneously while they are finishing up your guys' initial approval, okay? So we're gonna get started. So I'm going to hammer, pry bar, and shingle snake. I'm gonna use proper care and tools in order to see this through. So, this one right here was the one that you guys were saying that needs to be replaced. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a shot. That's for me just trying to undo it. So this is still intact. Already that one came out. This one's coming out too. And that's for me barely even making it, I don't know, 4 inches into the repair attempt. Look, this one's already separating too. I'm gonna have to go 3 up just to get this one out. You can see that this one's still intact, this one's still intact, this one's still intact, this one came intact, this one came intact, this one came intact from just me trying to pull this one shingle out. This one's still intact right now. I haven't reached that point yet. So that one's still intact, okay? This one, not intact anymore. So we're gonna move up so I can get underneath here to get the staples out. Boom. That already came intact. Come closer. That already came intact. So now this one shingle repair has now turned into this shingle repair as well. Look. I can't even pull one shingle out without, look, again. Yeah. Yeah, this definitely can't be repaired. I mean, I could keep going if you want, but so just me pulling the staple out, that one's now not intact. That one's loose. Every single one of these is damaged now. Yep. This is 38 3/4 inch. Can you come over here? 38 3/4. Okay. $39 1/4, so we're about a 1/2 inch difference. Oh, 39 1/2, sorry. We're about 3/4 of an inch difference. Per manufacturing specs, I cannot cut this shingle along the field of the roof. But I mean, it doesn't even matter because this is coming apart like nothing. So thank you for your attention to this matter. Again, I'm going to resend my supplement in for the gazebo roof replacement as well. Thank you.